Arthroscopy refers to a procedure wherein the physician introduces a small camera into the joint, and it allows the physician to see under excellent lighting and magnification the pathology and then fix it with special minimally invasive techniques. It allows us to come in a very minimally invasive way and then also affect a repair, which translates to a faster recovery from the patient side. Arthroscopy is ideal for most soft tissue injuries, especially in the shoulder and knee, but also other smaller joints. We can repair rotator cuff, labrum, meniscus, ACL.
In the knee, arthroscopy is frequently used to reconstruct ligaments and also to repair or clean up cartilage problems.
Our surgery center allows us to address all the points along the care pathway very efficiently, from the front desk through the pre-op.
And then afterwards, the patients will meet with the surgeon and also with the anesthesiologist to plan the treatment for the day.
The anesthesia team is great at reducing anxiety and getting you prepped with a block where you don't feel any pain during surgery or after surgery. And then the rest is an easy ride. You just go to sleep and wake up and recover and go home with your family. It's really smooth and efficient.
It's amazing how arthroscopy has evolved over the last 20 years. It began as a technique to visualize the structures within the shoulder, but over the years, instrumentation has improved, techniques have improved. These instruments allow for greater precision in the operating room, which minimizes damage to surrounding soft tissues and allows a better recovery.
At the Center for Sports Medicine, we have a progressive focus on innovation, and as such, we like to find solutions to problems that occur on the front line, really affecting the patient and physician individually. I've seen firsthand how innovation can help improve patient outcomes and allow the physician to improve their craft.
We're constantly evolving so that patients can continue to do the things they love.
Doing what's right for that individual, that's the art of medicine, essentially.